Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel पप्पू करियर गाइड, a complete guide for all your career needs। तो फिर आज के वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं हम लोग। फिर आपको पता होगा, इससे पहले मैं वीडियो में ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुका हूँ कॉग्निजेंट प्री ट्रेनिंग इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल के बारे में। तो आज की वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हम लोग मोर फोकस देंगे हम लोग एसिमुलेशन प्रोग्राम असेसमेंट के बारे में, जो कि आप लोग में से बहुत लोग को जो है फ्रेंड कल के दिन आप लोग को देखने को आया था। फ्रेंड बता दो, अभी मैं रात के 2:22 पे वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। इसे मैं कल सुबह में अपलोड कर दूंगा, ठीक है। तो इस वीडियो को आप लोग इन तक जरूर देखना और मैं ट्राई करूँगा कि आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो, सो दैट एवरी वन कैन अंडरस्टैंड। ओके, सो before starting this video, I request all the candidates, please watch video till the end. Please do not skip this video because this video is very much informative and these things you must know, okay, if you are going to join the cognizant company and if your date of joining is nearby. So let's begin this video, okay friend. So let's see this type of mail, friend, you are going to receive before 5 or 10 days of your joining date, okay. So sir, who received this mail? So this mail received by one of my subscriber whose date of joining is 28th of December 2021. Get prepared for assimilation program. Okay, hi all, congratulations, you have been selected to participate in the assimilation program to enable your eligibility for full stack training program. Okay, so basically this program is checking your eligibility for the full stack training program. As you have planned for onboarding on 28th December, okay, we would request you to read through the attached handbook to keep yourself prepared for the HackerRank assessment post your joining. So I will be also discussing all the details about the handbook HackerRank assessment. Okay, so please watch video till the end. Okay, candidates who clear the assimilation assessment as per the organization criteria will be mapped to either Java or DN full stack training post, which you will be deployed to projects. Okay, it's mean if you are qualifying this assimilation training program or assimilation program, then you are going to be give the training as per the company requirement, either Java or DN full stack. Okay, and after completing your training post, you are be deployed to a project. Okay, so this is a one type of you can say very good things, okay, but you have to qualify, friend. Okay, all the best for your preparation, looking forward for your joining. Okay, तो चलिए अब देखते हैं हम लोग, let's moving to the second mail. Okay, this mail I already discussed, friend. Okay, this is basically a pre-training interview schedule. Okay, this mail indicate only the company will provide you a particular project, or either they will ask from your side in which technology you have worked, or in which technology you have a experience and all. Okay, like they will be giving you a 5 to 10 option, like in which you have to, they will give you a 10 option. Okay, and you have to choose your preference wise 1 2 3 4 5 6, and after that they will be provide you one project, one stream, and in which you are going to be give their training also for 3 to 6 months. Okay, so let's begin with this handbook. Okay, what is it all about assimilation program? So friend, this is a Cognizant Academy assimilation program student handbook. Sorry, I'm pronouncing this wrong. Okay, why do you need this assimilation program? Assimilation program helps to identify your programming ability, thereby helping you to begin the right learning pathway. The program has a pre-up phase and an assessment phase. Pre-up phase allow you to practice and refresh your programming skills. Means before giving your actual assessment, you have they are providing you a pre-up phase allowed to practice. Okay, they are also providing you a practice session, okay, where you can practice your skills before giving the actual exam. Okay, assessment phase help you to profile yourself against top programming language like C, Java, C#, and SQL. Okay, so basically they are more focused on the three technology like Java, C#, and SQL. Program at a glance. Assimilation program has two phase. Okay, day one is a pre-up and day two is a assessment. Means day one you have to give up, you have a chance for for preparation yourself, and in day two is assessment. There are two assessment, okay, in the final, and also you can say pre-up, you can also say that mock assessment, you can say. Okay, there are two assessment. One is programming on SQL and second one is programming fundamental Java, C#. Note, each assessment is for 2.5 hours, means you have a total of 5 hours to complete this 2 assessment. Okay, program highlights. Okay, profile your skill through industry standard certification provider HackerRank. Get prepared by solving sample problem provided by HackerRank. Showcase your programming ability and get registered in challenge learning paths. Okay, program objectives. What is the program objective? So you can see, after going through this program, you will be able to apply Java or C# programming concept to solve a simple coding problem. Use SQL concept to write simple query against a relational database. Assimilation program, here you can see I already discussed now. Pre-up basically day one is solving HackerRank problems. Okay, where you can prepare yourself. Okay, and the day 2 is your final assessment. Take up HackerRank assessment. Target audience is assimilation. Pre-up and assessment is mandatory for student from computer science background. Okay, so basically this is not for the non-IT background, this is the only focus on the computer science background. Student from non-computer background can still take the pre-up and then nominate yourself for taking up assimilation assessment. Grab this opportunity to showcase the programming ability and move ahead faster compared to your peers. It's mean, if you are a computer CS and IT, then I think you are eligible for give this exam, and non-IT is also eligible for give this exam. But let's suppose you are not comfortable with programming, then you can skip, but you can also give the exam of pre-up, and you can try to give na. If you are qualified, then it's a very, like you can see na, grab this opportunity to showcase the programming ability and move ahead faster compared to your peers. So it's totally depends upon you. If you are a non-IT background and if you want to give this exam, then you can give. If you're disqualifying this exam and you are not clearing the exam, then no need to worry. Okay, assessment blueprint. What is the assessment blueprint? So you can see there are 2 assessment: A, programming on SQL; B, programming fundamental, Java, C#. Each assessment has a 2 section: multiple choice question 15 question 30 minutes. Okay, code challenges 4 question 2 hours. Okay, so friend, if you want previous all the simulation program question asked, then just comment down in comment section. Just one person can comment, do comment, and rest of the candidates who wants the particular video of previous all asked questions in assimilation program, then just like this particular comment. I will be going to soon create a particular some small video for this topic. I will be giving you all the previous asked questions, so that you can prepare yourself more easily. Okay, and you can just check your performance also. So when you say pre-up login day 1, this is a practice test. Okay, just go to the HackerRank link. If you already have an account, login, and if you don't have an account, use a personal account and Gmail to sign up. Alternatively you can also sign by creating a new HackerRank account. Okay, just create a HackerRank account, and once you login in, you can explore a skill or Java or SQL by clicking explore skill button. Alternatively, type for Java or SQL in the search text box. Okay, you'll finding here, add your first skill. Okay, and start solving the problem. Okay, just start solving the problem. SQL, choose MySQL from the filter and try again your queries. Okay, just check over there. Okay, use code editor to solve the problem assessment. Okay, you can try running the code using run code. It's just a simple. Okay, how you are running the program. Pre-up C# day 1. Okay, just select over there, and just check out the solve program and use your language C#. Just drop down and just select C# and solve this problem. Okay, sample test for Java, just click the sample test and time of your finish assessment. Okay, and this is your Cognition internship assimilation assessment on programming. Okay, and you can see, just click start challenge and just complete, read for the instruction carefully and click the continuous. Okay, confirm details वगैरह. Okay, just you can see, read the 10 number and add them, and just here you can see start tour. Okay, you can just also check the details. FAQ, how to enroll this program. Use a personal email ID account for HackerRank pre-up. HackerRank assessment invites you to send your personal email ID. Okay, what is the effort I should be spending? Day 1 is recommended for HackerRank assimilation pre-up, and day 2 is a HackerRank assimilation assessment. Which is the first and second assessment? मैं बता चुका हूँ. First is would be as SQL, that this will be against a MySQL database, and day 2 is a second assessment would be on Java C#. You will be choose between 2 languages in the code editor, either Java or C#. What is the difference between run code and submit code? Run code is basically you're checking your code, and submit code is your final code. Okay, after that you can't able to change it. What happened once I submit the code? Then your code will be submitted. Whom do I reach out in case any query? Reach out to the location wise coaches of for any query. I think I discussed all the point. Okay, friend. So just prepare for this. If you want the previous hour question, just comment down comment section. I will be creating a video soon. I think I discuss all the point. If you're still just comment down comment section. मिलते हैं आपको दूसरे वीडियो में. जय हिंद, जय भारत एंड गुड नाइट.